Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So if this is your first time passing across my channel, if this is your first time seeing my face, then please watch the videos on this channel, because I'm very sure that if you are a skincare lover, you will love my content. And do not forget to subscribe. Yes, turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so today's video I want to make a lightening body glow oil. Quote me, lightening body glow oil. So this body glow oil I want to do the tutorial now will lighten up your skin. It will not bleach you, please. It will not bleach you, but it will lighten up your skin. It will give you up to 2 shades lighter complexion, and it will keep your skin healthy. Like, you will not have green vein, you will not have stretch mark, and your skin will glow. If you don't know the benefits of oils on the skin, then I will just give you a little assignment. You can just go and do the research on that. Like, seriously, when you're always feeding your skin with good oils, your skin will always glow. Like, you will see this glow within 2 weeks of applying this oil. People will start asking you, what are you applying? Believe me. And whether you're dark or whether you're fair, you can, all skin types can use this oil, because like I said, this oil is not a bleaching oil, but it will lighten up your skin. So I'll be using good carrier oils to make this tutorial now, and I'll be adding something else into it. So be sure to watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to know how to make those oils yourself, because I'm very sure some of you have those oils with you. Yes, most people come to my messages and they start telling me, I have this oil, I have this oil, what can I do with it? Yes, this is what you can do with all your oils, any oil you have at home. So before you make this oil for yourself, be sure to know your skin type, because you don't just carry any kind of oil and put on your skin. Though the tutorial I'll be doing, I'm working with combination of oils, that is oils that goes for dry skin, oily skin, all skin type, because I'm combining these oils together to suit all skin type. But be sure to just do research on the kind of skin you have and know the kind of oil that is good for your skin before you go on and make a glow oil for yourself. Like for me, my own kind of skin type, I like applying oils that are not heavy. I don't like oils that are heavy. I like oil that absorbs faster into my skin. So before we start doing the tutorial, our skincare online class is coming up today. So if you're interested in the online skincare class, you can send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up now to enroll for the online class by 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So let's dive straight into the video. So the first oil I'll be using is my jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is queen of all oils. Believe me, if you use only this oil alone, you're going to glow. Like, people will start asking you what you are applying. Fine, it's a little bit expensive, and I guess that's why it's a little bit expensive, but believe me, it's a queen. It's the queen of oils. Yes, jojoba oil is very good, and jojoba oil brightens up the skin. Yes, this oil brightens up the skin because of the brightening properties it contains, so it brightens up the skin properly. So I'm going to be needing 30 grams of my jojoba oil. So I'm using my scale. 30 grams of jojoba oil. So here is 30 grams of my jojoba oil. So next I'm going to be needing my turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is a brightening oil, very good for anti-inflammatory, acne. In fact, turmeric oil is a treatment oil, so turmeric oil is very important for this body glow oil we want to make. So I'm going to be needing 19.5 grams of my jojoba oil. I'm going to drop the recipe in the description box. So I've added in my turmeric oil. You can use any oil of your choice, please. If you don't have all this oil, it does not mean that you cannot make your glow oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So next I'll be adding in my rosehip oil. One good thing about this lightening glow oil I'm making is that you can also use it on your face because of the oils I use. This oil are oils that are good on the face. So they are good on the face, they are good on the body. Okay, like there are some oils you cannot apply on your face, but this one I carefully selected them so that you will be able to apply this oil on your face or on your body. So I'm going to be adding my rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is very good. It's very rich in antioxidant, very rich in vitamin C. So rosehip oil is a brightening oil. All these oils I've selected out for this formula, they are all brightening oil. They are oil that will not make you go dark. They are oils that will glow your skin. So for my rosehip oil, I'm going to be using 20 gram of my rosehip oil. I'm going to drop the recipe. 20 gram. So that's 20 gram of my rosehip oil. So next I'm going to be adding in my lightening oil. Next I'll be adding in my army white serum. Yes, I'll be adding in my army white serum. Okay, I'm going to be adding 30 gram of my army white serum. This serum is very good for skin lightening. Like if you want to lighten up your skin, you can add the serum into your oil. You can add the serum into your body lotion. It does not spoil the skin at all. So I'm adding 30 gram. So this is 30 gram. I've added 30 gram of my army white serum. So stir. So army white serum blend properly with your oils. There are some oils that does not blend properly, especially oils that has a propylene glycol as their base, but army white serum blend properly because it is oil based. So I've added in my lightening oil. So next, last but not the least, I'm going to be adding in my essential oil. So I'm using my lemon essential oil. This essential oil is available in case you want to buy. Yeah, I'll be adding 0.5 gram of my lemon essential oil. So here is my oil. Here is my lightening glow oil. Can be applied on the face, can be applied on the face, can be applied on the body, and it lightens up your skin properly, gives you even skin tone. Even if you're having skin discoloration, you have Fanta Coke discoloration, this is going to correct your uneven skin tone. So I'll bottle this right away. I just make a smaller quantity. I'll bottle this right away, and that's all. So you can apply this oil on your face. Apply twice a day, morning and night, and make sure you exfoliate your skin. Make sure you scrub your skin so that you'll be able to see the effectiveness of this oil. So thank you so much. If you enjoy my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.